No,
We got
it's
Void up in
Denji.
here.
They have Denji on that team.
That means
my
we
gosh,
win.
is
I just
that
have to play.
Chainsaw
I just have to
Man
play
Denji?
any girl.
Denji's just gonna win.
That's true.
No, I just play any girl and they fold.
He folds. That's not true. He fights many women. in Chainsaw
Nah,
Man.
I got.
Okay,
he
how do
folds
you?
for me.
Okay, but how
Oh,
would
wait,
he?
yeah,
How would he
actually.
fare against the Mercy though? I mean, he would just look at them boobs and then just kind of like stop thinking.
Where should I put my turret? I'm gonna put it in a spot that shoots them. I think
Like
that's a
right
good
here or
idea.
something. I don't know. Oh no 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 no!
They cannot see me.
I have a widow.
They saw me. They saw me.
There, be careful
Nuh-uh.
with the widow.
Hey, look, it's
Alright, why? Okay, res that.
How?
Oh, why is there? Oh
Pardon,
god.
but
Hey, you can res it. You can res it. You can res it.
I already tried. I already
I
tried.
see. I got headshot by a pocketed.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh.
Widow. That'll do it.
Parker, I'm with you.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, we got the Mercy. That's big.
Oh, I got the widow.
And now we win. And now we just win.
And now kill
because
the
they don't
diva?
have their characters. They don't have their two guys.
All right, cool. Marco's is literally the best. Oh, don't peek that hallway.
I'm peeking the hallway.
Alright, bet. Peek with you. Oh, she moved
Alright,
definitely.
Marcos.
No!
Yes, stay over here.
Anyways,
Come back.
out of here.
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, I got booped. No
This is
way.
crazy.
That widow isn't actually that good. She just hits body
No,
shots.
she's just getting
She's
fucked.
just playing Widow.
And I was not.
I got her. Mercy can die. Mercy can die.
Mercy's dead.
I got the widow. What the? Where'd my?
Can die.
Oh,
I'm
fuck.
Oh my
dead.
lord. That didn't reach me. Okay, cool. It's just the diva. Oh, hi.
Okay, that was the worst all ever.
Literally
Ooh.
world's worst turret placement.
Why can Mercy move like that? That's not fair. Torb right here.
I had a vendetta against the fucking McCree, so I walked
Yeah,
over,
the McCree's
headshot
been
him, and then just
killing me.
continued healing.
Alright, they switched off Diva. That's big. But they switched to the win character, so that's not big. That's very not
I
big
still
at
killed
all.
one character.
It's crazy because if we don't kill him, he just gets his ult and wins this fight. No one died.
When
though?
we jump
Yeah, but-
down, I'm gonna drop my ult.
Do not drop down. Do not give them.
Oh, he's a. Oh,
Oh.
shoot.
Okay.
That's funny.
I'm dead.
I'm
Why are we?
dead.
Oh, I'm dead too. What?
Fuck you!
Oh, we
bitch.
lose that. Oh wait.
Oh, you start the res. Fat.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my
Huge,
gosh, we had
huge.
that, we had
Hold.
that.
Yes, Parker. Yes.
That was
Yes.
so fat. Y'all have no idea.
Ice.
Imagine they play Widow again. That would be kind
No.
of fucked up, I think. I think they shouldn't
Okay.
do that.
I think they should
So
play
it seems
May.
like today. It seems like today's a soldier kind of day. I see.
You weren't supposed to say that. Now your memories
it
are gonna get
seems like-
washed.
You know what the funniest character to play is? Sombra.
You know who's even more fun than Sombra though?
I was never here.
Don't speak.
Do not play Sombra. Get the fuck out, Sombra. Go back to May.
Well, who would be funnier than Sombra?
May.
I was gonna say Farah only if they don't play McCree or Widow or Soldier.
Which
All
they
players
have,
that
what?
they have played.
Watch this.
Swords.
Ooh, that's
Hold off. He dies.
Oh, I double headshot the McCree.
Oh, no.
does not
Yeah.
escape. Thank you.
Cool.
Amazing.
Alright, watch this. He's gonna push in too far. Kill her. She dies. Here.
See, the thing about May
Oh,
is
they
that
all
she
died.
literally
Wait, they all
counters
died. They all
every
died.
tank.
Oh, that Torb is gonna be upset. I threw a random
Nice
kunai.
shot.
I threw a random kunai, then turned around to heal you, and he died when I wasn't even looking in his direction. Anyway, I'm with
Oh
Parker.
my god, you swagged on them.
Beat him. I'll just die.
What was that futile attempt for an ult? Oh, that's what it was.
Oh my gosh, I can't do anything. Oh, soldier's ulting. I'm dead. Cool.
I can't, dude.
I killed their soldier. I'm going around them.
The soldier's a huge pick. Push. Except Parker's alone and maybe is about to die. Definitely is
I'm
about to die.
dead.
You had no heals on you, by the way. I don't know.
Yeah,
if you
I
knew
know.
that.
I got
Okay, but their tank's dead. Their
That's what
tank's
happened.
dead, and they're still
no, the
down.
healers weren't there.
Shut up.
Well, that's the healer's fault. My man.
I
We
don't
were
think it is,
walking!
actually. They just got out of spawn and you pushed forward.
I didn't know that. No one said anything.
Dog, I love Zenyatta. I'm gonna be real.
The worst Doomfist
It's
in the
Nepal.
world is probably me.
No,
Oh,
this
you're
guy was
funny.
worse.
You're very cute. Oh, look.
You're
Perfect.
cute.
Oh. I don't know what to do with that information.
Do with it what you want.
Res that?
I'm not happy about that.
I'm not.
I'm very displeased with what just
fuck.
happened. Uh-oh.
I'm not even
Are
gonna
you
lie.
off?
They can have
Oh,
that.
fuck.
That's
They
theirs.
have Hatsune Miku on their team. How are we supposed to win this?
Oh
Okay,
my.
cool.
There's no way.
Okay,
There's
cool.
actually no way.
You know what's crazy? He pinned me when I was at like 40 health and missed. Okay, cool, awesome. I've been pinned by that Ryan 3 times in the past 1 minute.
You've got to be kidding me, dude.
Okay, I
There's no
wanna-
way! He's in our spawn! Kill this man,
Yeah.
kill this man. We can kill this man.
I'm done.
Or
We
not.
cannot. We definitely cannot.
I was damage
can-
boosting your punches.
This
too.
Reinhardt is not.
And he's
dying
ulting again!
ever.
That's like his 6th ult! He uses
this
it
Reinhardt-
every single... He hasn't died. His Ana is so good.
He just held forward. We need to deny space. That's what needs to happen.
Why is my
Mercy
sensitivity
has
so
gold
high?
Oh, I
objective.
see, he's mastered.
The same rate it always.
We're really hoping we don't have to run
if
into the
they-
Pharah.
No, if they have a Pharah, Isabel, you have that under control.
You have to have that under control.
Yeah,
there's
I
no,
can-
there's no.
We are gonna hyper focus this Reinhardt and the healers.
They have a Pharah though. I mean, Ash. I get
Killed
healed.
her. I killed the Pharah.
I'm so
Nice.
proud of you.
He can die here.
I'm gonna go-
Ryan's walled off. He can die.
Our
Nice.
Ana's dead.
Oh,
Ana's dead.
Marcos
you
is
guys are
literally
awesome.
the best.
I'm. Oh, this is not gonna go very well. Very fast.
Huge. Wait. Stall for a little bit. We have a Kiriko and Lucio.
Oh, focus me, no. All right, I'm tagged now.
She's dead. We're
Nice.
good. We're good.
Cool.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my
Alright, I'm
god.
going back to Ana.
Marcos best tank even when playing DPS.
They're truly evil for having 2 flying characters.
I slept the signal.
Huge sleep.
Oh, that was fat. I killed the Pharah, but I'm
He's
dead.
antied.
I'm antied. I'm gonna die.
Please win
I
that.
killed him.
How did
Please
she
go-
already get it?
Oh, okay,
Interesting.
well.
Echo ult.
Cap.
Andy,
Sorry,
please.
I believe in you. I believe in you.
Please.
No!
I'm doing this.
If
He got
one
that,
other
he got that,
person
he
were
got
there,
that.
we would have had that.
No.
Literally a
I wasted
single
my
Oh,
ult.
this guy is so gay! I picked Diva and now he's playing Zarya!
Andy, can you take care of the Pharah now?
Yeah. Killed me. I ulted turn around to kill the Pharah, but direct hit was a little bit of.
Oh, that's fat.
Alright, Zarya's dead. I'm dead.
The Bap's there and he ulted. That's huge.
Oh my god, I
Ulted
instantly
in front of
died.
his ult.
Like, what?
Oh, okay, cool.
As soon as he
Still have
gets
some
counterpicked,
fighting.
he just goes back.
Turn it up.
For real!
We're the best.
We have farmers,
Right, guys.
so we win. GG.
Fucking kill
I hate you,
yourself.
I hate you.
Oh!
Oh, what?
He's blocked off, he's blocked off, he's blocked off! He's blocked off!
The Reaper's dead.
Reaper's dead.
Big
Reaper's
Andy
dead.
play.
What?
Sim's dead.
No.
This Ana dies, this Ana turned
sorry,
around.
it's hard to heal
So,
Mara.
Andy, that she turned around and then she just face planted into my wall. And I was like, oh. Come, leave.
What do you want me to do?
I tried to help you.
Fuck it.
I tried to.
It's called we do a little bit of diffing.
What the, that was the
Fall
worst
back,
res
fall back,
ever.
fall back, fall
You know,
back, fall back.
I got this, guys. Trust me. Trust me here.
Parker,
I'm the world's
go
best doing
Orisa.
this.
Yeah, actually
Fuck
go,
you. Fuck you.
Arissa.
Shut the fuck up. Nobody asked your opinion.
Where are we going? Can we tank? Please speak to me.
Parker is playing Doomfist. That is what is happening. Against a Zen. And a Mei. Just let him cook,
I
guys.
got
let
it,
him
bro.
cook.
I'm cooking.
ult.
Let me cook.
I get res here though.
Forgot your parachute?
I think
Wait,
I
is that
should
right?
get
Oh my
that.
gosh, she's won!
Let's
Oh,
go! She
She
made
can
the
die.
correct
Fuck
decision.
you.
Go in and I'll nano.
Can you
You can
touch?
touch.
Yeah.
I have my ult.
I almost have my ult.
Get in there.
It's fat. How are you alive?
I killed their Zen.
I stopped the mail. I stopped the mail.
I died.
I got hacked. They have Sunburn. Maze 1. Maze actually at 1 health. Oh, huge freeze.
Oh my god, thank you.
We have that. We have that.
I told you. You didn't
Okay,
let me cook.
Okay, let the Doomfist cook.
You had to let me cook. I told you
had
that
very
you should
high
let me
doubts.
cook.
Big fat heel dip.
For real,
Bro,
for real.
Bro, you're
I've also
diffing
told
me.
you multiple times that Doomfist is busted.
I
Literally
like
is.
this. I like this girl. She's calling out stuff.
Miracles!
Kill yourself. Kill yourself.
Can we do some misogyny
These
in
guys aren't
chat?
that good. True. Parker's on this one.
I start talking about how hard I lift weights.
Can we start some demeaning of the women in the chat, please?
I just hate how women do their little.
No one saw that.
Oh, I used my thing.
I saw that.
I hate you. I literally hate you.
They have a far and I'm not.
I'm dead.
You're horrible.
Cool. Now they are not allowed to push this.
Except you kill yourself. I'm saving that.
Tracer behind. Tracer behind.
I'm fine.
Where?
I didn't even
like
come
over
close to
here.
dying, bro.
Oh, they're pushing over here.
Right side.
I made a mistake. I've made a terrible mistake.
Wow, you're bad.
For real.
Oh my lord.
Good thing
Oh,
good
great
thing Marcos
wall.
is literally the best.
The classic Mars
Moira sleeping behind.
I got her. Nope, I don't got her.
I hope that's not play the game because I did some really embarrassing stuff just there. Really embarrassing stuff. Don't pick that.
I slept
Oh.
in McCree.
Nice.
Ryan antied.
Ryan can die.
Ryan can die. Fat.
Tracer being annoying. She's anti.
Oh my
she's
god, I
anti.
hit that. I hit that. That was crazy.
Revenge. Oh, win button?
Oh, okay, you walked me off. I see.
I got pinned.
Yeah, I don't want you to play.
Oh,
Oh.
that was a good
I'm
ult,
bad.
Parker.
Nice.
Is that game? GG's?
GG's.
I think so.
I can do well when I have.
That was my
fast.
first time playing Doomfist, so... Evil character.
Like the
Alright,
guy?
what are y'all guesses? What are
One
y'all
more,
guesses?
one more, one more, one more, one
I
more,
need-
one
I
more,
Kills
need-
himself, that's my guess.
one more,
Wait,
one
let
more,
me
one
see,
more.
let me see. I'm gonna
You
watch.
literally go down by one.
Yeah, I know, but down by one, you're funny.
By one.
Wait, hold on,
I have
hold
faith
on.
in you.
No, no,
I'm saying plat.
let me
4.
predict. Let me
What
What are
predict.
you at
before,
right now?
Wait,
Plat 1.
I'm saying
saying
flat
flat
2.
4.
Nah,
I
it's
say
not
he
flat 3
stays.
probably.
I say he stays.
I'm saying
two,
you're
flat
gonna
two,
be
flat two.
flat. You're gonna be
There
flat
is a universe
3.
where you stay, and it's this one.
Okay, so we have a...
Dog.
That's
I
crazy.
lost like 8 games.
This is fucking stupid!
told you,
What the
DPS
fuck?
is a-
Andy,
One more.
no offense, but you do not deserve to be almost diamond DPS.
I know. I know.
Real.
I
Andy,
know,
Andy,
bro.
Andy, your DPS is higher than mine.
Actually,
This is the worst map. I hate this map with every fiber of my being. And that's because I'm racist.
Wait, where's my team?
Marcos, I hate you!
What happened?
I was trying to punch the Doomfist, but
Kill
you
me?
ice cold.
Aw,
Ramacho
I'm dead.
antied.
I'm healing.
Ramacho
Oh,
slash.
I'm so sorry.
Ramacho
I'm
ulting.
so sorry.
Ramacho
That
kills
was
us all.
not.
Woke him up.
That was not my control. That was not in my control.
Who should I play against? Who do you play against Ramatra?
I play Sigma against
Sigma.
Ramatra.
Yeah.
if you have to ask the question, who do I play against? Is just go Sigma.
Gotcha.
That usually works, like 9 times out of 10.
Alright, great game to end it on, guys. Woot woot.